Step number 10 is make it about the audience, right? There's really no point in going through all the other 9 steps and making it about yourself. Now, I know we talked about the indulgence of your solid story. Don't make it about, make it about the self. You're using it to empower. But the whole talk, when you are public speaking, you are doing it because you're serving an audience, a market, a customer. Do not stand there for 45 minutes and be self-indulgent, talk about yourself the whole time, and then hope for people to want to work with you or do more with you. Number 10, this is why it's number 10. It's about serving a community, an industry, an audience, not you. And a lot of people that do get in public speaking spend the first X amount of months talking about themselves the whole time, and then they wonder why the bookings dry up. They wonder why people don't want to work with them, or they attract people, and here's a key distinction, who want to be them. And that's very dangerous because A, that's transference. B, it means that that person will never be satisfied because they're never going to be them. So actually recently, one guy that attended our trainings used to be a pop star, and he's like on Spotify and he's had a #1 hit. Like, he's fairly known. And what he found, the clients he was attracting, he's a coach now, are people that wanted to be like him versus his ideal client. So therefore they were draining, they weren't getting results because they were just buying into hanging out with him, really. It's dangerous. So step number 10 is all about making it about your ideal audience, your ideal customer, serving them the best. Everything you are doing is the reason you're standing on stage is to be of service, is to serve, to shine the light on amazing things that are happening, not for self-ego satisfaction.